Natural Reader is a great alternative to Google Translate because when you go to their online reader, you can paste in your entire text or portions of your text, and then you can click play, and as it reads to you, it also highlights the words down at the bottom.
The problem with plastic. Did you know that more than half of the sea turtles in the world have eaten plastic or trash left behind by humans?
You can also control the speed of the sound, and that also helps them listen and find mistakes of their own. The limitation would be with the free version, you only have 20 minutes a day. There is a Chrome extension that you could add if you wanted to as well. But this is a great alternative to Google Translate because it does show the words down at the bottom. They often catch a lot of their own mistakes, so it's a great tool for self-reflection.